Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. The design of a kitchen cabinet plays a pivotal role in both the functionality and statistics of a kitchen space. When carefully crafted, kitchen cabinets can transform a mundane cooking area into a stylish and efficient culinary heaven. The choice of material, colors, and layout can greatly influence the overall atmosphere of the kitchen. Modern kitchen cabinet designs often prioritize sleek, minimalist line and utilize materials like stainless steel, glass, and high gloss finishes for a contemporary look. Traditional designs, on the other hand, food-oriented woodwork and intricate details, creating a timeless and classic ambiance. Furthermore, the layout of a kitchen cabinet is critical for optimizing storage and workflow. Well thought out cabinet configurations can make a kitchen more user friendly, with design space for everything from pots and pans to spices and utilized. Pull out drawers, lazy sunsets, and built in dividers are just a few of the innovative features that enhance functionality and organizations. Moreover, the choice of cabinet hardware, such as handle and knobs, can add a finishing touch that complements the overall design. In summary, kitchen cabinet design as a key element is creating a harmonious and efficient kitchen space. Whether you prefer a modern minimalist look or a traditional cozy feel, the right cabinet design can set the tone for the entire kitchen, making it a welcoming and functional area for cooking, dining, and entertaining. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.